How to remove device from Netflix account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove device from Netflix account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you can either open up the Netflix application or log in via the Netflix website, that is netflix.com. So once you're logged into your account, go to your profile icon and there tap on account. Then scroll down to security and privacy. After that, search for an option that says manage accesses and devices. From there, tap on it. Now once you tap on it, find the device that you want to remove from the list of devices that you are signed into. After that, you will have an option as sign out next to the device. Tap on sign out. Wait for a while and that device is now signed out from your account. So in this way, you can remove device from Netflix account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.